Okay, so question number 7, you can try yourself as that is same as question number 6. So let us try question number 8. A statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of the pedestal. So there's a pedestal here. There's a pedestal here, right? It is the base on which the statue is put. So pedestal, there's a pedestal, and on the top of the pedestal there's a statue, and this statue is 1.6 meters, right? It's 1.6 meters. And it's telling you from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So from the ground to the top of the pedestal, to the top of the statue, it is 60 degrees. So I have made this here 60 degree, right? And it's telling you also, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. So from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, so it is a pedestal and its top is here, and the angle of elevation from the same point is 45 degree. So it is here 45 degree. So it's telling you find the height of the pedestal. So we have to calculate the height of the pedestal, right? But what we know is, we know the height of the statue, that is 1.6 meters, and we don't know CB, we don't know DB, right? So we have to calculate CB. If we know DB, then we can subtract DC, then we'll get CB, right? So let us take triangle ABD, triangle ABD, and obviously the angle here is 60 degree. So we are interested in, I'll just write it here, so toa. So we are interested in the opposite of the angle, right? The opposite of the angle and the adjacent of the angle. So opposite and adjacent is in tan. So we can, in triangle ABD, we can take tan of that triangle, of that angle, and that is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite, that is DB, divided by adjacent is AB, right? And tan 60 is root 3, right? Root 3 is equal to, we can write dB as DC plus CB, right? DC plus CB divided by AB. Or we can write AB is equal to DC, we know 1.6, plus CB divided by root 3. So I just change root 3 from numerator to denominator here, and this AB in the denominator as numerator here. So it is AB equals DC plus CB divided by root 3, or we know that DC is 1.6, so AB is 1.6 plus CB divided by root 3. But we are still not knowing CB. We have to calculate CB. So we'll take another triangle ABC. So taking another triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we're having tan 45, right? Tan 45 equals opposite over adjacent, that is CB over AB. Tan 45 is 1, is equal to CB over AB, right? Or you can say AB is equal to CB, right? So AB is CB. We can plug in the value of AB as CB in this equation. So this equation will become CB equals 1.6 plus CB divided by root 3. Or we can write root 3 times CB, and then subtracting CB to both sides, minus CB equals 1.6. Or you can take CB as common. It'll be root 3 minus 1 equals 1.6. Or what we can write here, we can write CB equals 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. And that is the answer. You can simplify it further by multiplying it with, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. But only to, to this, like that. So this root value will be eliminated from the denominator. So we can write CB equals 1.6 times root 3 plus 1 whole divided by, it is a minus b times a plus b. That'll be a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So this will be equal to 1.6 divided by 2. That'll be 0.8, right? 0.8 is actually 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is actually 4 by 5. So we can write 4 by 5 times root 3 plus 1, and that is the value of CB. That means the height of the pedestal.